Making money online isn't a dream anymore. It's reality for millions. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking for extra income, these 10 proven methods can help you start earning today. Stick around until the end. Number 10 is surprisingly easy and often overlooked. Number 1. Freelancing. Offer your skills. Got skills in writing, graphic design, video editing, or coding? Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer let you offer your services globally. Many freelancers start small, but grow to make thousands a month. Number 2. Online tutoring. If you're good at math, science, or even English, tutoring online is a great income stream. Platforms like Chegg Tutors, Wezant, or Preply pay well, and some tutors make $20 to $60 per hour. Number 3. Start a dropshipping store. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model where you sell products without holding inventory. You only buy the item after a customer orders. With platforms like Shopify and suppliers like AliExpress, it's easier than ever. Number 4. Create a YouTube channel. You don't need to show your face. Faceless channels like this one are growing fast. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links once you grow your audience. Number 5. Start a blog. If you enjoy writing, a blog can become a passive income machine. Use platforms like Medium or host your own with WordPress. Monetize through ads, affiliate links, or selling digital products. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale. Join programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale. No product needed. Number 7. Sell digital products. Once and done. You create it once and sell forever. Think ebooks, templates, printables, or online courses. Use Gumroad, Teachable, or Etsy for digital sales. Number 8. Manage social media for businesses. Small businesses need help growing on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. Offer content creation, post scheduling, or community engagement for a monthly fee. Number 9. Print on demand. Design t-shirts, mugs, or posters and sell them through platforms like Printful or Redbubble. They handle printing and shipping. You just focus on the designs. Number 10. Take online surveys and user tests. It won't make you rich, but it's easy. Sites like Swagbucks, user testing, and Inbox Dollars pay for your opinions or to test websites. There you have it. 10 real ways to make money online. Pick one or two that suit you best and take action. Which method are you going to try first? Comment below. I read every one. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a way to earn smarter.